Peter Pan đâu Hansel đứng ở ngoài mà Hansel là bạn màu hồng hồng ấy. Peter Pan and Tinkerbell fell into Wendy rooms. Hello, I'm Peter Pan. Will you come to Neverland with me? Neverland with me. Tinkerbell's sprinkle fairy dust. Everyone start to fly. This is Neverland. Boom, boom. Captain Hook fire carrying up Peter Pan and his friends. Captain Hook hate Peter Pan because he lost his arms while flying with him. They all escaped the captain and went to Peter Pan's house. Kids, I will tell you one story. Wendy took care of the kids in Neverland like a mother. The pirates appeared at Mermaid's lagoon. They tied up an Indian girl and took her away. Peter Pan copied Captain Hook's voice and demanded let the girl go. Clang, clang.
Captain Hook appeared.
Captain Hook appeared. He was very angry. Captain Hook heard, comes my sword. Clang, clang. Sword. Captain Hook tried to avoid the sword, but he fell into the alligator mouth. Wendy and her little brother missed their mom and dad. They all flew into the lightning night sky and returned home. I like Neverland. I will come to see you again. Goodbye, Peter Pan and Tinkerbell flew back to Neverland.